In this video, I'll show you how to add a header to Google Forms. Adding a header is one of the easiest ways to make your form look more professional and more branded. Google's official Forms help says you can add a header image from the Customize Theme panel. And you can also adjust the theme color, background color, and fonts from the same area. First, open your form in Google Forms on a computer. Once the form is open, look at the top right corner and click Customize Theme. This opens the design panel for your form. Google says this is where you manage the form's colors, text style, and header image settings. Now go to the header section in that panel. Click Choose Image. After that, you can upload your own image or choose one from the available options. Once you select the image, Google Forms automatically places it at the top of the form as the header. Google's help page confirms that under Header, you can choose an image and then continue editing the form normally. After the header is added, take a moment to look at the rest of the theme settings. Under Color, you can choose a theme color and a background color so the form matches the style of your header. Google also says you can add a custom color if you want more control over the design. You can also improve the overall look of the form by changing the font style. In the same Customize Theme panel, go to the Text section. Google says you can change the font style for headers, questions, and body text there. This is helpful if you want the form to feel more formal, more modern, or more consistent with your brand. If you want the header to look cleaner, use a wide image instead of a tall one. Google's official help does not publish a strict size rule on the main guide, but Google Help Community Guidance commonly points to a wide banner-style image for better results. That means a logo on a simple background often works better than a busy photo. When you finish, click Preview at the top. Write to see how the form looks to respondents. If the header does not look right, go back to Customize Theme, choose another image, and test again. Google says you can keep editing the theme and continue adjusting the form after adding the header. So the steps are simple. Open your form, click Customize Theme, go to Header, choose an image, and then adjust the colors and fonts if needed. That's how to add a header to Google Forms. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.